Not anymore. Apple changing the way it pays musicians, once again proving the power of Taylor Swift. On the same day her latest single, Bad Blood, hit #1 across the country, Swift prevailed in a standoff with the world's biggest company. Swift was withholding that song and the rest of her 1989 album from Apple's just-about-to-launch streaming service. The problem? Royalty payments. Sunday morning, Swift took to Tumblr, saying she loves Apple, but not its plan for a 3-month free trial period. Apple Music, she said, will not be paying writers, producers, or artists for those 3 months. She called it shocking, disappointing. But said it's not too late to change this policy. We don't ask you for free iPhones. Please don't ask us to provide you with our music for no compensation. Taylor's fans, Swifties, very swiftly shared her opinion, tens of thousands of times. A huge headache for Apple.
Taylor Swift isn't really doing this for her. She's doing this for the music industry at large. This is a big deal, Apple Music coming into streaming, and she wants to make sure that all artists are going to be compensated fairly in this new service.
Behind the scenes, Apple scrambled to respond. Company executives got a hold of Swift in Amsterdam, her latest world tour stop. Soon after she got off stage, Apple said it was changing the policy. A key lieutenant of Apple CEO Tim Cook tweeted, "Apple Music will pay artists for streaming, even during the customer's free trial period. We hear you, Taylor Swift and indie artists. Love, Apple." Swift was elated. "They listened to us," she wrote. For Apple, a bad PR moment, now becoming free promotion for its new service. Meanwhile, competitor Spotify still missing all of her songs, 7 months into a similar dispute over compensation. It sure doesn't seem to be keeping the pop star down.
I never